Good morning, you guys. So today is like 2 days from what you guys just previously saw, if I even upload that part. But anyways, if I've uploaded the part. But anyways, you guys, today is Friday. I am kind of sort of moved in my house. Like I have all of my things that I brought from my mom's house, but I don't have my furniture. So my furniture won't be here till Saturday, and then Kayson's furniture has been delayed all the way to the 23rd. So that kind of sucks, but you know, we're gonna make it do what it do. I just got home. Okay, yeah, so I just got home, and it's actually kind of cold outside, but I grabbed me some food because the Wi-Fi people are getting ready to come here to set up like the internet, cable, and all of that stuff. So I am here super early. Yesterday my sister actually helped me and everything, but today I'm by myself. So I think I'm gonna just let you guys see me get a little bit of organized, unpack some things, and you guys can kind of see what I've done so far. So I just got me some Sonic, and I got like a big cup of ice, y'all, because I do not I don't have a refrigerator. I am hilarious. So the guy like that does the cable and Wi-Fi is here. He's like, well, do you know where the cords are or the stuff is? I'm like, Like, I'm like, look here, I don't know what done that. I'm like, you're gonna have to find it, buddy, because I don't know. I'm so hungry, y'all. Like, this is the first meal of the day. Now I'm doing something that is very, very tedious. So I am cutting and measuring. What did I do with it? Here it is. This right here to go inside of the drawers. And I'm doing this for the kitchen and for the bathroom, you guys. I have to cut it some more, but this is such a tedious task. Now that I've lined majority of the, this stuff fell. But I've lined majority of the drawers. We're actually in Kayson's bathroom right now. How did these fall out? Maybe I need to, I don't know. We'll have to fix that. But all of his drawers, like with all of his toiletries and everything, is lined. And down here is just like some extra toothbrushes just in case somebody spends the night, like one of his friends or something like that. So that's what his bathroom's looking like. I did all of these, like all of the ones that I'm going to be using, and then I also did like these drawers right here. So you guys, I'm actually on the phone with the pest control. I should be listening, but I'm trying to get some information.
Last question for you. You or anybody that lives in the home military?
No sir.
Military?
No sir.
Or work at Hyundai?
No sir.
Okay, just wanted to be sure. Alright, so far do you have any questions at this point?
I do not.
Okay, this is what I want to do. If you want to give me your email address,
Okay.
I can send you a copy of this on the email.
Okay. Just let me know whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready. Go ahead.
Good morning, you guys. So today is Thursday, and I just finished getting my washer and dryer and refrigerator delivered. Let's open this window. Get some more of that good old sunlight. It's so pretty outside today. So here is my refrigerator. I have to run some gallons of water to make sure that the water is good and it's not foggy. And I'm also gonna sanitize everything because with everything going on and these people coming in and out of my house, I'm trying to make sure that I sanitize and disinfect doorknobs and anything that anybody touches pretty much. So I didn't get a chance to show you guys in my house tour, but you guys, my, ooh, look at that nail, sis, that's not cute. But anyways, my cabinets, My kitchen looks so small on that video, but my cabinets do go all the way up, pretty much to the ceiling almost. So this is just a better view of what the kitchen looks like. And then in here, I'm gonna give you guys another video too, but of how the house actually looks and what I've done so far. So right here, this is just my washer and dryer. I decided to go with like a dark gray because I didn't want something that I would have to worry about getting dirty. I definitely did not want white. So I decided to go with something a little darker. I'm waiting for the builder to come to actually punch the holes in this so that I can actually start using the washer. So yeah, I'm about to get ready to get a bucket and clean out this refrigerator, and I'm gonna have to go get another mop because I literally just broke my mop trying to take it out the package. So I'm gonna have to run and go get a mop because I'm gonna have to really clean really good, you guys, and really disinfect everything because you know, people have been coming in and out, you know, so I'm trying to make sure I disinfect. And y'all, I'm real pressed about these nails, but I'm getting ready to do my nails. I'm actually gonna leave here in a second. As soon as my washer gets hooked up, and I'm gonna go get me some Moes because your girl is hungry and I have literally been craving Moes. And then I'm gonna come back and get myself together, honey, because if y'all see my nails looking like this, y'all do not want to even know what the toes look like. So I'm gonna do my little transformation and transform because y'all, this is not me at all. But that's the whole beautiful thing of vlogging. You get to see another side of me and not me being so glam and so, you know, made up. You get to see me with glasses and no makeup and ratchet nails and ratchet toes, sis. So you get to see it all. And y'all, look at what I'm wearing today, honey. I got on my maxi dress. Sis is feeling kind of cute. Yes, ma'am. So yeah, let me go get to cleaning. We made it to Moes, so I am going to do a curbside pickup, and I'll probably just sit in the car and eat, or either I'll sit like on the bench somewhere over there. Y'all, I cannot wait till I get my nails done because like this little finger is gonna kill me. Like, it's crazy. Y'all, look at Kayson with his quarantine mask on. I had to literally tie the sides of it so it can fit him. He ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to see the video.
Hold on, baby. Okay, I locked the car. Come on, let's get out. Ma, just come over here with me. So I guess we just gonna sit outside and eat our food. Come on. Come on, baby. We probably need to clean these tables off. Okay, come sit over here so you can be out the sun.
That one.
That table? Let's just sit at this one. I'm already nervous. I'm sitting right here. Peace. So we got Kayson some Moes. This is his first time eating Moes. Come out the sun. Sit right here so I can see you good. Okay, I think over there worked better. So are you gonna eat your tacos from Moes?
I got meat and cheese.
I got meat and cheese only, yes.
Okay, yeah.
You gonna try it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
If it tastes bad, I'm not gonna eat them.
Take your mask off so they can hear you.
If they taste bad, I'm not gonna eat them.
If it tastes bad, you're not gonna eat it?
No.
Okay, that's fine. Y'all know that he loved Taco Bell. I think that Moes is a way better option because Taco Bell is, you know, it's like some mystery. Hopefully he eat Moes, you guys, because I've been trying to introduce Kayson to some new stuff. So he can try different stuff and not just eat only Taco Bell.
And Pizza Hut.
And Pizza Hut.
And McDonald's.
And McDonald's.
And
well, just lay it all out there. I'm a bad parent.
And Chick-fil-A.
And Chick-fil-A. Well, Chick-fil-A is a more healthy option. You like Zaxby's too. Y'all, we eat out so much, but I think because I moved, like hopefully that changes, because like eating out gets really expensive, by the way. So hopefully that changes. Hopefully I can cook a lot more. It's so bad, like when I decided to cook one day, Kayson was like, Mama, can you cook? And I was like, yeah. Because I never really cooked, but I really do need to start to cook. Y'all help me out. comment down below your favorite recipe. Subscribe. Okay, tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe for me and my mom.
That's right. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You rub your sanitizer in. So Kayson is about to try Moes for the first time. Here.
I got a chain. I got a ring.
Okay, here. He thinks he's a rapper, y'all. Eat your taco. If you want another one, I have to get you another one. I want to see you take the first bite.
See if it tastes bad or good.
Ooh, it looks good. You can't eat it with the thing on. Now, bite it.
If it tastes bad, I'll make it.
Take a bite. Oh. Is it good? Good. I'm glad you like it. Yummy. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You guys, it is Good Friday. I gotta stop doing that. I'm so lame, y'all. I am over here doing my makeup, you guys, and listening to Sarah Jakes Roberts, TD Jakes' daughter. She is awesome. The one I'm listening to now is the final product. And for some of you guys that follow me on Snapchat, you guys are always asking me, what am I reading? What Bible do I have? What devotionals do I like to listen to? So she is actually one of my favorites. And then I also like her dad, of course. Who doesn't like TD Jakes? I like Joel Osteen. It's a few others that I like as well and that I like to listen to. I really like to listen to these type of inspirational and these spiritual videos when I'm not really feeling up to par, or I need to pick me up. And I really just like to listen to them in general, just because it keeps me high, and it keeps me in good spirit. It keeps me high on God. It keeps me grateful. It keeps me thankful. It keeps me to continue to lift God up and give him praise and for him to increase. Like, it just makes me feel so much better, you guys. Especially when I'm like, oh, I'm not feeling inspired. I don't want to film. I don't want to do nothing. Sis. We can't have that laziness going on. We got to rebuke that in the name of Jesus and get that up out of here. We need good vibes, good energy. We need peace. Ask God for wisdom. Like, y'all finna get me started. But yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. Y'all, I'm over here getting happy. I'm like, I got a whole eyebrow. Do y'all see that eyebrow? I got a whole eyebrow going on over here. Like, I haven't had eyebrows in weeks, sis. Like, it's been a minute. Like, I'm super happy over here to have brows. And God said that will be brows, honey. Voila. Let me stop playing. But no, for real, like, yes. I actually appreciate you guys that actually get me. Not everybody gets me. Even when I post stuff on my Snapchat, you guys, and post like inspirational things on Facebook and stuff like that, like, I feel like bias is not the right word. Definitely not biased about anything or anything dealing with my spirituality or God, but like, I may say something like funny, or I may say a cuss word or something like that, and then I may put up a spiritual or biblical verse. And honestly, I feel like only God can judge me, because only God is still working on me, and I'm not perfect. My goal is to love and to be more like him, but that's not gonna happen overnight. I'm trying, and I ask God to help me to control my mouth and my words and put a fence around my mouth. But y'all, sometimes that's just how I can express myself, and God is working on me with that, honey. Like, I hate like to be like, oh, like, I don't want to be I hate to say lukewarm. I'm definitely not lukewarm, but I hate to be like living this way and then I'm living this way. But I'm not perfect, and I'm just not perfect. Like, God is still working on me, and that's just that, sis. Like, that's just that. This big bump on the side of my face, like, it's crazy. So yeah, I'm actually about to just do my makeup, and I was sitting here listening to her, you guys. This podcast is really good. Tomorrow I'll probably listen to the one TD Jakes has. Like, if you follow me on Snapchat, I posted one on my Snapchat that the other day, I was on fire. Like, it had me on fire, sis. But I do feel like you have to feed your spirit daily. Like, just going to church Sunday, and most of the churches are closed anyway, is not enough. Like, the church is right here. And I feel like you have to choose God. Just like you choose to go to the club, because I do like to go to parties, you know. But God is still working on me. And I'm just being super vulnerable and open right now. At this time, I don't know why. Like sometimes I have my moments where I'm super vulnerable and I share, and then sometimes I have my moments where I have to reel it on in and pull myself back a little bit, or that's at least how I feel in that moment. But you know, you have to choose God. Like you have to, it's a relationship, it's not necessarily a religion, but you have to choose God. Like I choose to wake up in the morning and read my devotion and my Bible before I get on Facebook or Instagram or my phone. Like I choose to open my Bible first. I choose to read my Bible every day. And sometimes I don't read it every day when I wake up in the morning. Sometimes I read it when I'm going to bed at night. But it's just a choice. It's just a choice. And that's just that. And that's all I'm going to say about that, honey. If you want a spiritual video or something, because I have so much to share with you guys, let me know. And speaking of vulnerability, like even with me doing I've been working on this eyebrow for about 10 minutes, sis. But even filming my house tour video, like that was a very vulnerable moment for me. Saying I had a house was one thing, but actually filming it and putting it on YouTube was another thing, because I know some people, even though I've already prayed over my house and everything, I prayed over my threshold, I just feel like certain people do stuff to be nosy. Like even like people that I personally know. You probably ain't never watched a YouTube video, one of my videos a day in your life, but you watched the house tour though, didn't you, sis? I see you. So I just feel like everything is not done with the right intentions. Like some people don't have your best interests at heart, and that's just life in general. But that was vulnerable because I'm just, you know, I don't know. Like, and then like I didn't want to do too much showing outside because people are crazy out here. Like, sis, I don't have time for all the craziness. But y'all, did y'all notice my nails? Sis got the nails done, honey. And y'all know I do my own nails. The video I have is super old. I'm gonna redo that video. But yes, sis did her own nails. Thank you guys so much for being so sweet to me and giving me words of encouragement and just being like everything. Like I have the best subscribers, the best friends ever, sis. Y'all are like everything. So I just appreciate y'all for that. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I have so many more videos and vlogs coming for you guys, even with Kayson and how I teach him at home. So yeah, this is pretty much the end of this vlog. I will see you guys in my next. Mwah.